So, bon appetit! Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Jeanine Amapola. If you are new here, I hope you will subscribe, because I do a lot of videos like the one you're about to watch. Even though I haven't done this video in a while, I wanted to do, what I eat in a day, because I haven't done this in a while. So I've been just trying some new recipes out. I'm just really loving what I'm eating right now, and they're very satiating, fulfilling, and healthy, and just good food. So I'm excited to share that with you guys, what I eat in a day. I'm going to make this more vlog style because I kind of prefer to watch more chill vlog style videos as well. So yeah, right now it is 10:25. I have not even had breakfast. I woke up at probably 7 a.m., had a cup of coffee, worked out. I'm here with Maxine. She's killing me today. In 46 minutes, I already burned almost 400 calories. I think that's pretty good.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10.
And then for today's breakfast, I'm going to be making banana pancakes. I'm so stoked because they are so delicious, and I'll be teaching you guys how to make them. Okay, I'm back home. That workout literally killed me, like, holy moly. And also the workout I did the day before, so I'm dead. So now that I'm back home, I'm going to take some protein powder and Ciole coconut oil aminos. So this is just protein powder. Obviously this helps like build muscle. This helps with recovery, maintaining lean muscle, reducing body fat, and boost recovery. Like I just said, recovery. So these are the two that I'm gonna be taking. I am ordering a new protein powder, which is in the mail. It's like a more of a vegan, non-dairy one, because I don't think this one is non-dairy, but if you don't mind it being non-dairy, this is a really good one because this has lots of benefits for like women. You can get this to Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna be taking both of these really quickly. You can take it with milk, almond milk, or water. Obviously, if you're trying to reduce calories, then water would be your best bet. Oh, add 2 scoops of this to 8 ounces of water. Perfect, here we go. Okay, so for today's breakfast, I'm going to be making banana pancakes. And if you've been on my vlog channel for a while, then you know I've made these before. Hold on, my thing is crooked. Is that straighter? I don't know, whatever. So basically for the banana pancakes, you need 2 eggs, about a cup of rolled oats or oatmeal, 1 banana, and then you need some flax seeds. You wanna get the milled ones or like the ones that look like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all in my blender, and then you put it on the pan and you just cook it and you're good to go. If you want just like a little bit more flavor, you can add a little bit of my camera is moving. If you want a little bit more flavor, you can add some cinnamon in there. So I'm just gonna do like a pinch in there. And now it's time to blend it all up, and that's literally it. It's so easy. These are so much healthier than a lot of the processed ones at like the store that come like pre-made. So I definitely recommend you guys to try this out. Here's a pancake numero uno. They do get burned pretty quickly, but they don't taste bad if they're burned. So I promise you, like, I know this is like dark, but it doesn't taste bad at all. But you can probably make about 2 or 3 pancakes depending on the size with this one batch. I normally eat 2 and then just make an extra one and then save it for later or the next morning, but totally up to you. So this is what they look like, and they are delicious. All right, y'all, it's time to eat. Here are my pancakes. For syrup, I'm actually using organic raw blue agave sweetener. This has way less sugar than a lot of like maple syrups and stuff like that. I don't really eat that much syrup anyway, and I also don't put any butter. So I don't know, I just liked it a little bit more plain, but to each their own. So bon appetit. That's pretty much like all I put, honestly. These are just delicious. You guys have to try these out. I die every time I eat these. I die. Okay, so that's my brekkie, and I'll get back to you guys when it's lunchtime. why is the lighting so weird? So for today's lunch, I'm gonna do a stuffed baked potato. You guys, this is so easy to make. It's fast and it is fulfilling because sweet potatoes are a very good type of carb that just really keep you full, and they're just good. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. It takes maybe like 10 minutes, just depends on what you want to put in it, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Okay, so you're gonna get your sweet potato, you're gonna stab some holes in it, and then stick it in the microwave for about 5, 6, 7 minutes, just depending on how long it kind of like bursts open and you see some steam coming out and it's soft. So let's do that. Now we wait. Okay, I think it's ready. So when you do is you just get your fork and you just kind of start poking in there and just see if it like caves in. If it gets really soft, then you know it's ready, but it is pretty soft in there. Probably could be microwaved still a little bit longer, but it does feel like it's pretty soft. I'll probably do like a couple more minutes, or this last minute. And voila, it's done. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I put in it, and it's super easy. So this is all optional. I put nutritional yeast, which you're probably like, what the freak is that? I don't even know how to explain it. It tastes like cheese, but it also adds some nice salty flavor to it. You just try it. You literally take a little bit, you sprinkle it on there, and it tastes really, really good. When I first heard about it, I was like, what the freak is that? But I actually like it. Then I take some black beans, some tomatoes. You can add like mushrooms, and you can add like lettuce in there. And then you just sprinkle a little bit of salsa on top, and voila, you're good to go. Okay, so the presentation may not be there, but the food and the taste is there. But that's literally it. That took me literally less than 10 minutes. And this will keep you full, I promise. And it is so tasty. Enjoy. It's good. Also, something really good you can add in here is avocado, but mine weren't ripe yet. They weren't like ready. But that's another thing that you can add in here that tastes super good. It is now 2:30. It's kind of about time where I need my like little afternoon pick-me-up. So I'm trying to wean myself off of like being so reliant upon coffee. So I'm going to be trying matcha today. You can actually get this at Trader Joe's. It's a matcha green latte. And you can either do it hot or iced. So I'm going to try this out today. I think I've only tried this once before and I liked it. But I'm just going to try this and see if it works. Because that's what, you know, all the trainers say. They're like, use matcha instead and like other teas versus coffee. But obviously nothing will ever replace coffee, but I just want to try this and see how it is and see if it gives me a nice little pick-me-up for the rest of my day. Taste test. Also, I know I keep changing. I got this in the mail. What do you guys think? It's like a dress. I don't know. It's from this company called Philanthropy. So, yeah, but I tried this on because I got it in the middle of the day. But this tastes really good. I recommend. Cheers. Alright guys, so it is now 4:37. It's been a couple hours, probably been about 3 hours since I ate that sweet potato last. I'm not starving, but I definitely want a snack, so I'm gonna eat my favorite snack ever. These are Honeycrisp apples and some almond butter. You have to use this kind of sparingly just because 2 tablespoons is 190 calories, but it doesn't hurt to have a little bit. And then I'm just gonna cut it up with one of these little thingies, and you just like push it down and it cuts it up perfectly. Well, we'll see, but this is gonna be my snack until I make dinner. I'll probably make dinner around like 6-ish, we'll see. So yeah. everybody. It has been hours later and I am ready for dinner. I'm about to go to Bible study, which is why I put on another outfit. I know you're probably like, Jeanine, you've literally changed your outfit like 50 times in this one video. But I also put on makeup, which feels good. Even though I like having days where I don't wear any makeup, I love those days, but it's also kind of nice to, you know, glow up. Can we also just take a second for my outfit? This is also from Philanthropy. Look at this. Boom. Basically, I'm a fan. Okay, so I don't have very much time to make dinner, so I'm gonna make something quick. I'm thinking something with some veggies and quinoa. I don't know, I'm honestly not very sure, so we're gonna find out today together what I'm making for dinner. So I gotta make it kind of quick, and yeah, let's see what I can cook up. Cauliflower mashed potatoes. Some broccoli and zucchini. And a veggie patty. Okay, I know you're probably like, what kind of meal is that? But that sounds good to me. So I'm gonna do a veggie patty, cauliflower, mashed potatoes, a zucchini, or probably half of the zucchini, and some broccolis. Lego. And voila, we have dinner. This is definitely a bigger portion than I normally would eat and normally than I should eat, but like, you only live once, so bon appetit. Thank you, Jesus, for this food. So good. It's really nice sitting at this dinner table with all my friends to have conversation. How's y'all's day going? Cool. Same. Oh, that was so hot. Never do that again. Don't be like Jeanine. Don't be stupid. Okay, bye. Sorry. Excuse me. I just finished dinner. Well, I finished eating my portion, but it turns out I cooked too much. It's better to just put it in a Ziploc, eat it for lunch tomorrow versus overstuffing yourself. If you feel full, just don't try and be like, oh crap, there's still stuff on the plate. If I were you, just put it in a Ziploc, eat it for lunch tomorrow, and avoid excess calories. And chug water after your meal so you feel more full and you don't end up going back for like snacks and binging later. All right, I'm off to Bible study now, but we'll see if I get any dessert tonight. Maybe not, but stay tuned. Hello guys, I'm back home from Bible study. It was awesome. I am ready for bed. It is 10:53. and I'm gonna go to sleep. But that was what I eat in a day. I ain't gonna lie, at the Bible study I did eat some Takis, those like chips that are really spicy. Yeah, I probably had at least 10-15 of those and some candy. So I'm not gonna lie, I didn't eat perfectly today, but for the most part, this is typically how I eat. I just try to avoid even having like unhealthy things in my house because otherwise I will eat them. But anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up or just let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed it and if you want me to do more of these. I really enjoyed these videos. They're fun for me. Hopefully they're fun for you guys too. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you very, very soon, and peace out, Girl Scout. Bye guys.